They haven't.
Jumping Lumpers
With another video.
the smashing video, and today we're with the boys right here. But I'm the boys, Justice. Right, first we're doing the watermelon. Who's gonna do this?
Shakes. Who's doing the watermelon?
Who's doing the watermelon? Cade.
Who's doing the watermelon?
Cade. Cade doing the watermelon. Yay! Yay!
Oh, yeah. What the hell?
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Oh, look, it's Dean, that retard!
Oh. Where'd the cantaloupe go?
It's right there. It's
Kill
charging.
it! Kill it!
It's charging right now.
What are we gonna do? Put it on the table. Wait, we gotta prepare it.
Go.
Alright, I'm holding it.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
Oh! Dude, come at me! Oh!
Yeah!
Kill it more!
No, yes, it has it open now. Oh! You know what I think?
Yeah!
Hey, toss it! Yay!
Yay! Yeah!
Oh, man!
Yeah!
Justice! Oh, there goes the apple!
Dean, you suck. No one loves you.
What's next? Justice, chuck it! Chuck it! Hey, oh, hit me!
This is total mayhem!
See, we risk all lives for you two, them, our Jumping Lumpers. Yeah.
Oh!
Alright, lads, this freaking thing right here. Jet, where you going?
Next up, guys, we got this coffee maker!
Yeah!
It on the floor! Oh, God!
Yay! 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 Yay!
What the hell?
Dean, what's wrong with you?
Yay! Yay! Hayden, go!
Holy crap!
Watch out, there's a car, watch out! What you know, mate?
Dude, that's gonna break the stupid brake!
Throw it! Done! Get out the garage! Get out the driveway! Get out the driveway!
Break it out, mate! Break it out!
Watch out, watch out!
Break it! Break it, man!
Oh, yeah! Oh, God!
Oh, God!
Come on, tail!
Hayden, go!
Watch out, watch out! Nobody touch me! Watch out, watch out! Hey! Oh! Let me throw this thing!
I'm not sure a kid ever tried this hard in his life.
Oh! Yeah!
I want to hit this
Wait,
thing.
wait. What's this?
Oh, wait, do it.
What's this liquid right here, Jet? Jet, what's this?
Where's the
That's
camera?
water! Hit it! Okay, Justice. I got you the tail.
I can't.
I'm gonna destroy this thing.
Guys, look at the destruction we have
Oh,
here.
hey, what's this freaking?
Move it! I want to hit that liquid. They're like, what the hell? Hello, chap.
Let me get the thing.
Jet,
Justice, go for it.
Jet's house is the hypest house ever. Dude, look what happened to this, Jet. What the frick? What are you gonna use this for?
Hey, let me get a hit with the bat. Yeah, put it in the middle. Shots and hazard. Let me pick it up and throw it now. Here, toss it to me. Let's see it, Dean.
Dude, Jet, what are we gonna use this for? What are
No.
we gonna do with this?
Oh,
Let me hit this thing.
Jesus. Hey, car. There's a haloopsy. Get out the way. Oh, the watermelon. It's the haloopsy. Wait, watch out. I'm gonna hit that right now. Streets and hazard.
Jet, literally throughout the house with freaking watermelon, cantaloupe, apples, and this.
Break the filter, Oh! Break the filter! Watch out, let Kate hit it! Dude, you're broken!
How was I not breaking?
Hey, Hayden, watch out! Hayden's got this. What if it landed? Hey, watch out, car. Move it! Andre Jumping Lumpers up in here!
We MJ Chumple Up do the crazy stuff on the street.
Hell yeah, Mike.
Oh,
Fucking hurts.
shoot.
Dude, break that canister. Wait, God, wait, let me get closer. Oh, he's popping it.
Yeah, someone give me a bat.
Yeah, that fool's need a bat. Hit it hard as you can, Justice.
Watch out.
Justice, take this, Justice, take this. Hey, Dean, cuss in here. Let me get a hit with his bat.
Here.
I want to get a hit with his bat. Kate, can I have a hit,
There for
boy?
Aiden.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
Go.
Hey, you
Justice,
got
get
this.
some video.
Which way you want to do it? Like, straight at you?
Yeah.
Oh!
You go.
Boy, I'm gonna smash this kid right here.
Look at all that liquid.
Ow, shit, that came back.
Oh! Oh! Water!
Hey, Laura, hey, car, watch out. There's
That's Michelle's car. That's Michelle's car. Shite.
Oh! Watch them.
Well, they're gonna
As
kill
you
her.
can see, Justice, get the cars. Everyone's coming around. We risk all safety for YouTube.
Everyone's rocking me. Safety hazard! Safety ain't nothing. I'll sit down there. Watch out, this kid.
Make sure you guys clean all this stuff up.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll
Just chopping this is for you.
I'll clean this up.
Yeah, we'll clean it. Alright, let's clean it up right now.
How did he save it too?
Alright, we risk our lives for YouTube.
Clean the metal off.
We're MJ Chumple Lumps.
Close it off, Dean. Close it off, Dean. Close out of MJ. Subscribe for more MJ Chumperlump.
You can see